good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Marcar Asnanan, 30 years of age. I am a housewife and a mother of my 2 kids, 1 boy and 1 girl. We are 4 siblings and I am the eldest. I am currently live at Reina Mercedes Isabela. I am college undergrad while taking the Bachelor of Science in Management, major in Human Resource Development Management.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
I am a housemaid of 2 persons, a father and a daughter. I do household like cleaning, cooking, dishwashing, gardening, ironing, and my main duty is to take care of the children, sir. And I also work at Universal Leaf Corporation as a sorter and a bundler. I'll classify and bundling tobacco.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing the safety of the children. If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature, and if the baby is sick, I will call my employer.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work abroad to provide for my family, especially for my children, and to be financially stable in the future.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of your children or child?
My husband, parents, and in-laws, sir.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus on my work, sir, and remind myself that I need this job for my family.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep at 10 p.m. while my work is done. When my work is done, and I wake up 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will be more patient and calmer when dealing to them, sir.
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir, and I'm willing to extend if needed.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. 5 little donkeys jumping on the bed. 1 fell out, 10 jumped his head. Mother called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed."
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir. I hope you will select me as your helper. I am a hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family. I will do my best.
Okay.